Hello and welcome to my channel, Make English Easy. Lesson number 2, Good Citizenship. Do you know what this image is? Let's learn to spell and read. 4 things to do to become a good citizen. Follow school rules. Follow school rules. Repeat after me. Follow school rules. Follow school rules. Follow school rules to keep everyone safe, happy and ready to learn. Wait your turn in line. Wait your turn in line. Repeat after me. Wait your turn in line. Wait your turn in line. Wait your turn in line and be patient while others go first. Listen to your teachers. Listen to your teachers. Repeat after me. Listen to your teachers. Listen to your teachers. Listen carefully to your teachers so you can learn new things every day. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Repeat after me. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents. Listen to your parents because they love you and want to help you grow. Now it's your turn. Wow, well done. Now it's your turn. Follow school rules. Wait your turn in line. Listen to your teachers. Listen to your parents. Great job. Well done. Keep practicing every day and you'll soon be reading.
With teacher Mick, alphabet to reading. Learn with teacher Mick, reading really quick, yeah. Teacher Mick.
Ta-da! See you next time.